Now for a classic made, the cottage pie.
This week we have a new chef in the kitchen. It's Joe from Somerset.
My name's Joe, I'm 23 years old. It's day 22 of quarantine and I've been given the main course.
Let's see what Quarantine Gene has in store for our chefs this week.
Classic cottage pie.
I've never made this myself. I made mashed potato and I made beef separately, but combined, which is basically what it is. That's gonna be, it's gonna be tough to make.
Base ingredients: olive oil,
Check.
minced beef,
I don't know if I've got any in the fridge. Have we got any beef mince?
onions, carrots, celery,
Turkey mince. Frozen. We'll have to defrost it quickly.
garlic, plain flour, tomato puree,
Check.
a large glass of red wine, optional. Nothing optional about that.
We may not have celery. The leek should be fine.
Beef stock, Worcester sauce, thyme,
This might take a bit of time finding this.
bay leaves, potatoes,
225 ml of milk.
butter, strong cheddar.
That's been fairly successful. Let's get started.
Before I start cooking, I need to chop up everything that I have, just so I can be prepared.
There's no method on the sheet I've been given, so that can go away.
So I'm going to be starting, like any good recipe should, with an onion.
I am not very good at chopping onions, but luckily we have someone in the house that's an expert, Miss Morgan Howgates.
Hello everyone, I'm Joe's onion chopper because he's not very good at doing it himself.
Finely sliced onions.
Right Joe, how many onions do you want chopped?
Hang on. Probably shouldn't have done that, should we?
I'm gonna start off with the garlics. Easy peasy. Just slice it open like this. I want it diced, so you want it really thin.
A little trick that Leonie's taught me. It makes it easier for the skin to come off.
Then I'm going to get 3 carrots, and then rather than trying to chop them really finely, I'm just going to grate them.
We're going to keep the skin on, but we are going to give them a quick wash. You've got to be sure, haven't you, with what's going around.
Since we don't have baby carrots, we're gonna try and make our own little baby carrots.
That is girthy.
It works for me.
This is my trusty wooden spoon. You can use it for anything.
Give it a good stir around.
You wanna whip.
They're looking very nice and sweaty.
Nutmeg, black pepper, salt,
My traditional... It's a spice.
bay leaves.
I've got all these spices as well. I forgot about these.
Cottage pie is merely any meats and mash used together in a dish.
We've had to substitute the meat to turkey mince, which got obliterated in the microwave.
If you can get hold of it, you want quite a low fat content one. They're always tastier.
Oh no.
So the difference to shepherd's pie, because shepherd's pie uses lamb nowadays, because shepherds take care of lambs.
Shepherds take care of lambs? You really do learn something new every day.
We're going to go in with the 2019 beef stock that I found in the freezer. I'm pretty sure a stock is like a good wine. It gets better with age.
Yes, I'm sure a big bag of meat juices will be delicious after a year.
I'm gonna add the vegetable stock now.
We need 1 glass.
About half a bottle will do the trick. Beautiful deep purple colour.
It looks like the beef is nice and saucy.
We're going to make a start on the potatoes. So I'm going to do a couple of sweet potatoes and all the rest regular.
You want to peel it off. So I'm going to leave this to boil so I can soften up the potatoes.
Next I'm going to drain the potatoes
Then the chefs add salt, pepper, butter, and simply mash until smooth.
I don't have a masher, but I do have an electric whisk.
Mash, whisk, same thing, right?
Oh, look at that mash. You don't want any of that colour to be ruined. So you want it to be smooth on top.
It's harder than it looks, this.
The mashed potatoes? Nah, looks pretty soft to me.
Try and fill it in as if you're painting.
I suppose at a push it could be called impressionism.
Oh, amazing. Amazing. Absolutely top notch.
Then cover it with cheese.
Grating cheese over the top is a great way to...
Oh no.
Grating cheese on top is a great way to hide any imperfections in your presentation.
Slide it in. 20 to 25 minutes.
After a short spell in the oven, our chefs are done.
Voila.
Luke has made his cottage pie with sweet and regular potatoes.
Looks very good. Want to eat it. Very nice. 2 types of potato on there. Sweet potato and normal potato with some cheese on top. The sauce is really good, really comforting.
Next, we have Manzel with his mash and beef recipe.
Let's see how this tastes.
Wait, Manzel gets to judge his own food?
Yeah, seems totally fair.
It's really nice. Everything is made really well. Everything within the mince, the carrots, the onions, they all turned out very well. And the masala I used are Asian spice. Didn't need some Worcestershire spice or sauce.
And finally, it's Joe's turkey mince cottage pie.
Very good. I'm used to having Joe cook for me every night. Probably not his best, but I'd have it again.
That's actually not too bad. Considering it's with turkey mince, you can't really taste the difference, but yeah, that's the quarantine cottage pie.
Well, those are interesting renditions. Anyways, it is time for you, the viewers, to get involved. You can vote on the link below for your favorite hot take. Till next dish then, bye bye now.